In this video, I am going to discuss about Republic Day 2021 tableaus. States display their rich culture with colorful tableaux at the annual parade. First of all, we have to know the background of this tableau displaying. Every year, the Ministry of Defense shortlists a few tableaus to showcase at the annual Republic Day parade at New Delhi's Rajpath. To honor the day that the Constitution of India came into effect, our country celebrates Republic Day every year. To celebrate the day, the Ministry of Defense organizes a parade in the national capital, bringing forth the country's rich diversity and cultural heritage. Each year, tableau, a group of figures or models displaying a scene or story from history or depicting culture is showcased. Usually, different states, departments, and ministries present their achievements or culture that are represented by their respective tableau. Every year, display brings out the diversity and rich heritage of India. Three winners also selected after the parade. Last year, Assam, Odisha, and Uttar Pradesh were declared the winners of their tableau. This year, a total of 32 tableaus were displayed. 17 out of these tableaus were states and union territories, while the rest were the central ministries and departments. Now I am discussing about the tableaus of states and union territories. The display of cultural tableau began with Ladakh. Here you can see the picture. The The display of cultural tableau began with Ladakh's first ever tableau, which depicted the culture and communal harmony besides art and architecture, languages and dialects, customs and costumes, fairs and festivals, literature and music. The second one belongs to Gujarat. You can see here, a, sorry, you can see here a replica of the Sun Temple at Motera was displayed on the Gujarat tableau. For UPSC or state PSC exams, sometimes they'll ask about the temples. And you can see in previous year question papers, UPSC one time asked about match the following about sun temples. You can recall the sun temples. One is at Motera, Gujarat, Konark Temple in Odisha, Arasavalli Temple in Andhra Pradesh, etc. You can refer about the sun temples, and I'll make a video about temples further. The next one, Punjab. The tableau of Punjab showcased the glory of ninth Sikh Guru Sri Guru Tej Bahadur. The tableau had the theme 400th birth anniversary of Sri Guru Tej Bahadur. The end of the trailer showcased Gurudwara Sri Rakabganj Sahib, the site of cremation of Guru Tej Bahadur. You can see this tableau. Recently, Prime Minister Modi visited this Rakabganj Sahib, the cremation of Guru Tej Bahadur. And in history, you can see Sikhism is a topic is there in history subject. We have to follow these tableaus also for competitive exams also. There may be a chance of asking about Sikhism this year, like that. The next one from Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh designed with the theme Ayodhya, Cultural Heritage of Uttar Pradesh. The tableau of Uttar Pradesh also displayed Ram Mandir. The fourth part of the middle tableau showcased Deepotsava of Ayodhya, in which millions of earthen lamps were lit. You can see here. In 2020, Prime Minister Modi laid foundation stone for Ayodhya Ram Mandir. You can recall about the news about Ram Mandir Ayodhya issue. Some issue is there between Hindus and Muslims in Ayodhya. There was a mosque previously there. Actually, uh, that mosque was built upon a temple that was destroyed during Mughal era. After that, in 1992 or 3, if I am not wrong, the mosque was destroyed, And recently Supreme Court gave its judgment at last in 2020 in Ayodhya Ram Mandir foundation stone was laid by Prime Minister Modi. The next one from Assam. Assam displayed its tableau exhibited its geographical beauty and the famous Assam tea. You can think about Assam. There are some national parks and Assam is famous for one-hand rhinos and tea gardens and Brahmaputra Valley and that Majuli Island, world's largest riverine island. The next one from Tamil Nadu. Just a minute. Tamil Nadu presented its tableau showcasing the Shore Temple and other monuments of Pallava dynasty. In history, we have topic about dynasties, right? In that Pallavas dynasty is there. They built a rich heritage in India, temples, and Pallavas, Cholas, Cheras, Pandyas. Those are all in South India and Tamil Nadu. You can further refer history for this. The next one from Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh depicted its folk music produced by Dankul, Tori and Thurahi alongside its rich tribal culture and togetherness. And see Chhattisgarh, rich in minerals and tribe peoples, etc. They displayed their rich culture and togetherness. The next one is from Tripura. Tripura, it is one of the northeastern state. So many times Tripura is also there in news. Whatever may be about northeastern states, it is very much important. We have to refer each and everything about northeastern states, and we have to learn about the states bordering other states or countries bordering the northeastern states. Coming to Tripura's tableau, the theme of the tableau was eco-friendly Atmanirbhar, which celebrated their eco-friendly tribal culture and the importance of bamboo. And the state Tripura borders with Bangladesh, Assam, and Mizoram. Tripura sharing with international border with Bangladesh and state borders with Assam and Mizoram. And the next tableau from West Bengal. The theme of the tableau was Sabuz Sati or the Green Companion, a powerful tool for access to higher education. You can see the state importance of West Bengal. West Bengal borders with Bangladesh, international border with Bangladesh and Nepal and Bhutan. And the state borders with the states Sikkim, Assam, Bihar, Jharkhand and Odisha. And the importance of West Bengal, I think Kolkata port and Sundarbans, Biosphere Reserve, etc. Coming to Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is a Himalayan state. You can see the tableau of Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand showcased its tableau with theme Kedarkhand. The tableau also showcased the state's animal Mrig Kasturi. You can see the animal Mrig Kasturi. Uttarakhand shares international border with China and Nepal, and its state borders with Himachal Pradesh, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. And you can, what else about Uttarakhand? There are dunes. It's a geographical phenomena we will learn in geography subject, etc. And here comes the tableau of Delhi. Delhi national capital, and Delhi displayed its. The theme of the tableau was Shahjahanabad redevelopment of Chandni Chowk, which reimagines inclusive streets with urban public plazas. You can see Delhi, so much of population, migrated population, are students from different states, and the people from different states, and it is national capital. You can see Taj Mahal near Delhi, that is in Agra. And what else about Delhi? And Aravalli range ends near Delhi. That's all about Delhi. There are so many things in Delhi. You can refer further. And here comes Karnataka. Karnataka displayed the theme of the tableau was Vijayanagara, the city of victory, which was found in 1336 by the brothers Harihara and Bukka. You can see in previous year question papers there is a lot of importance about Vijayanagara dynasty. I mean sometimes they'll ask about Hampi, and in 2019 there was a question about the cities banks of rivers, like that they asked, and that they mentioned Hampi. And also in 2019 itself they asked about mandapas in front of temples. It is during the reign of Vijayanagara. You know the person named Sri Krishna Dev Raya. He was the very much important person in Vijayanagara dynasty. The next one from Kerala. The theme of the tableau was Choir of Kerala, which depicts women empowerment in the state. Here you can see Kerala is famous for copra or coconut, and its tourism, boating, houseboats. And here they showing women empowerment. You can learn about Kudumbashri, like self-help groups, which became very famous in news sometimes back. That's all about Kerala. And Kerala is, you can see what else there in Kerala. It's bordering Arabian Sea. It is near to Lakshadweep Islands, and there are some wildlife sanctuaries, and it is a part of some part of the Kerala is there in Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. That's all about Kerala. And coming to Andhra Pradesh, the theme of the tableau was Lepakshi architecture, monolithic marvels. This one also belongs to Vijayanagara temples. And see, in this year, there is a lot of importance about Vijayanagara dynasty. Karnataka displayed about Vijayanagara reign, and Andhra Pradesh displayed about temples. See, so many temples. You saw before Gujarat Motera Sun Temple. Here you can see Lepakshi Temple. There may be a chance of asking temples and states matching, or otherwise they'll give some temples names and they'll match with the gods, like that there may be chance of asking. And next comes Arunachal Pradesh theme, east meets west. You can see the easternmost state Arunachal Pradesh, and they displayed with the theme east meet west. And what else about Arunachal Pradesh? There are some wildlife sanctuaries, and it is bordering with China, Myanmar, Bhutan, and the states bordering with Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, and Nagaland. You can see, I you can see Brahmaputra makes a turn in Arunachal Pradesh. And what else about Arunachal Pradesh? And here you can see they are showcasing the beautiful folk tradition and handicrafts. It's all about the tableaus displayed in Republic Day 2021 parade. you have to learn more about these tableaus, means there may be a chance of asking question which is related to these tableaus or which is interlinked with the tableaus. Thank you.